Good afternoon, everyone. So we are speaking from Sanskriti School of Business, Puttaparthi. I think you know all of you. So I hope that you have utilized this opportunity which we have given from last week, one month. Almost we have covered the complete syllabus in the ICET. So this will be the last session, and we are going to wind up this ICET classes. Okay. So I hope you have utilized, right? So now I would like to ask your feedback for the session which we have taken from the last 1 month. So you your experiences, you can give your feedback, like even if it is good or bad, we are ready to take. So it will be helping us to improve ourselves in the future, upcoming future. Okay. If I want to take up a new event or new task as some other classes, so మీరు చెప్పే ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ కానీ మీరు చెప్పే సజెషన్స్ కానీ మేము పాజిటివ్గా రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటాము. సో అట్లీస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ 5 to 10 students. You can come forward and you can express your opinions. Either it may be good or bad, it may be a suggestion, or it may be it may be a good feedback. We are expecting that. So meanwhile, you can open your video, you can on your video, you can talk. Okay students, I think it is clear, right? After that, after giving your feedbacks and suggestions, our group director sir is ready to speak something. And really he is a great personality, and we can say he is like a philosopher who can guide you, like how can you proceed in the future prospectus, and in this present situation how you can move forward. Okay, so students, you can come forward and you can give your suggestions. Just raise your hands, or like if you raise your hands or if you type something like I am ready madam, I'll unmute you. మీరు నేను మాట్లాడతాను మేడం, ఏదో ఒక మెసేజ్ చేశారనుకోండి, ఐ వాంట్ టు టాక్ అని, నేను మిమ్మల్ని అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే.
Hello, yeah, good afternoon to you everyone. Thanks for Sanskriti School of Business School for conducting this kind of valuable classes to every students to utilize this lockdown as more effective for the students, not only for this ICET classes. We attended for the Sanskriti Prudent Test examination and show your talent program and everything. What we have attended there, we have got the great experience from your college. We are expecting some more programs in future to attend and to get awareness from ICET, whatever it is. If any program is conducted, please inform us to join. We are ready to join with you.
Thank you so much, ma.
Thanks.
Okay, A to Z. I'll unmute you. Lakshmi Venkata Prasad.
Hello.
You have completed, right? Thank you.
Ma'am, a kind request from my side. Can I say?
Okay, you can say.
Please share the PPTs and what you have said that material in the class up to now. Please share that in WhatsApp groups, and please share the contact numbers of the certain lecturers, ma'am. If the students have any doubts, they may consult to the specified faculty and they can clear their doubts about the ICET exam or anything. For the proper feedback,
we'll share the information. Don't leave the WhatsApp group. We are going to provide few more materials and mock tests to stay in that group. Okay. Definitely we'll share the information.
Okay, thanks.
You can mute yourself.
So today, last day of the ICET coaching. So today we are arranging small ceremony, closing ceremony of the program. So to give conclusion of the coaching. So last month, we faculty have covered all the topics and all the syllabus like analytical ability, mathematical ability, and communication ability in all aspects. Of course, we know that, and you also know, this 1 month short period is not sufficient to cover all the topics in each and every. Somehow, our level best, we have covered all the topics, and further, we would like to share all the related information like a material, some many guidelines regarding the ICET group, ICET exam also. So please, I request you, all of you, stay in the group for further assistance and further cooperation in this regard. So, in this regard, I would like to invite our beloved Professor Group Director Sir to share ideas and give guidelines to all of you.
Very good afternoon, participants. On behalf of Samskriti School of Business, we sincerely thank all of you for attending this particular coaching program. We, the Samskriti group of institutions, we strongly believe that even though the COVID-19 is affecting every individual, every part of life of the human being, but still we believe that we have to carry on our work in spite of struggles and challenges. Many of you could not attend coaching classes after completing the degree course. Of course, some of you may have to write the examination, and maybe in some examinations you might have completed. However, there may be some little delay in conducting the ICET exam, and also delay in admission process also. However, we believe that we should utilize this available time to improve our understanding about the ICET examination. Therefore, our college tried its level best to provide some amount of coaching classes or training program for the prospective ICET candidates. I think for the last couple of weeks, you must have seen and listened and followed our faculty members. They tried their level best to provide you some amount of training. This training may be a basic structure, how the examination is going to be, and what are the model question papers that are there till now. And they try to explain you. Please take this as a basis, and you continue to improve your practice. By practicing, I am sure that your abilities will get enhanced so that you can comfortably write the ICET examination, and also you can get a better rank in this ICET examination. So, particularly people in and around this particular environment, you can still keep in touch with our resource person, and in this particular group you can continue to share your ideas, and you can also share or ask some questions or raise some doubts, and our faculty members and the coordinators of this particular group, they will come forward and help you to explain the doubts that you are going to have in yourself and our faculty members. We both can work together so that your aspiration to enter into the MBA course will be fulfilled. Our main aim is to help you improve your rank, improve your understanding, and improve your knowledge about the ICET examination and related knowledge. And I'm sure that in the days to come, our faculty will come and share you now and then whatever the additional information which they are going to have. And you can also share your problems and doubts. Together, we can help you to build your strength, and also you can improve your career opportunities by joining in good business school or management department in this particular area. So with these few words, I once again congratulate all of you for having joined this particular coaching program. And I also thank my colleagues for being here to help you to improve your understanding. And in the days to come, and if at all any additional things are there still, we will come back. And not only this ICET examination, even for career opportunities, even after completing the ICET examination, and what type of college you have to select, and while selecting a particular college, before opting a particular college, what are the things that you have to consider while selecting a particular B school or management college. In all these things, we are definitely going to help you. And at the same time, I request all of you, before after completing your examination, before selecting a particular college or anything, please visit our campus. You can try to get expose yourself to the facilities available in our campus, and then you discuss with your well-wishers as well as parents and choose a particular college, so that your next 2 years will be more fruitful, useful, and you can definitely build your career with a nice school like Samskriti School of Business. With these few words, I congratulate all of you, thank my colleagues, and I wish you all the best in the days to come. Thank you very much.
Students, further we will give you opportunity to share your views about our coaching for the past 1 month what you have given. So if you give your valuable feedback, suggestions, it will help us. Not only help us, it will make you better service for you also. Okay. So as a participants and the student, you might have got an idea about the coaching and where you felt deficit in certain area. So if you provide such feedback, suggestions, definitely we will take into the consideration, and in further we will definitely will improve to fulfill the. So please, all of you, I request you, share your suggestions, feedback in chat, and moreover, who will raise hand will give you chance to speak. Okay, thank you.
So students who want to give feedback, you can raise your hand. I'll unmute you. A to Z, if you want to say something, you can talk. Asma or something. Ramya, if you want to talk, you can unmute yourself.
Hello. Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. First of all, thanks for SSB group or team for providing this much of learning facilities for us. And this class is so much helpful for us for mainly ICT training. And we also expect some more classes like this, ma'am. And once again, thank you so much for providing like these opportunities, mainly in these holidays, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Still, anybody want to give the feedback? You can raise your hands. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. For further communication, we'll be communicating everything in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Now you can leave the group, ma'am. Bye. Unmute me, A to Z. A to Z.
Afternoon, ma'am.
You can
Hello.
speak.
Good afternoon, sir, and all the management of SSB. So, ఈ లాక్డౌన్ టైంలో ఎఫెక్టివ్గా రిలీజ్ చేసుకున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ టు ఆల్.
Thank you, Asma. Thank you so much, ma'am. Nagendra Naik, unmute yourself. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yeah,
You can
like,
talk.
I need some. Sorry, ma'am.
You can talk.
Yeah, ma'am. I need some previous papers.
Okay. I'll share the link where you can find the previous question papers. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Previously, 2007, 2018, 19, the exam has been conducted now, ma'am.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we need to provide that previous papers, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I'll share the link where you can find the previous question papers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.